Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are making this amazing dessert which is very easy and simple to make, and it can be made within 5 minutes. So let's make together this very beautiful and colorful fruit and custard bun. So first of all, I'm taking a pack of cream caramel. I'm actually using 2 packets that I bought from store. And first of all, I'm going to be adding 1400 ml of whole milk in a saucepan, and we're gonna bring it to boil. It's gonna take some time, and once our milk starts boiling, we're gonna start adding our packets from the cream caramel, and make sure you stir in between. Keep stirring because otherwise it will clump together. And now we're gonna add the second pack and mix it well together, and we're gonna cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, it's getting there and our cream caramel is ready, and we're gonna put it aside and let it cool. Now I'm taking a bun pan and I'm adding some chopped strawberries in them, and now I'm adding some blueberries. Now I'm adding some pears and bananas. So I drizzled some lemon on them so they don't turn black. So after the first layer of fruit, I'm gonna be adding a layer of some biscuits. You can add as many biscuits as you want, it's up to you. Now after the biscuits, I'm gonna be adding another fruit layer, my strawberries, blueberries, my pears and bananas. And another layer of biscuits, and then we will add our remaining fruit. So once it's done, with the help of a spatula, I just spread all the fruit so they're evenly spread. And now I'm gonna be adding my prepared custard very carefully on top. And now we're gonna cover it with some cling wrap, and we're gonna refrigerate it for about 2 to 4 hours. And now our dessert is out of the fridge, and we're gonna flip it over. Here you go, you can see how beautiful it looks. Now we're gonna drizzle some caramel on top, which came in a pack of our cream caramel. And since we made 2 packets, so we're gonna drizzle both packets of caramel on top. And here comes our second packet of caramel. At the end, I'm garnishing it with some toasted almonds, which is completely optional, but if you add them, it's gonna give a nice crunch to your soft dessert. So our fruit and custard bun is ready. It was very delicious, very soft, very colorful, and do try it. If you do, share with me, hit a like button. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.